This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for February 16th, 2024. It's currently December 18th, 2023, 8:07 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $471.97. That's USD. And the shuffle video we're about to play for you was created on December 5th, 2023 at 9:01 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme of behavior, it's a nullified theme card, making it a little interesting to determine overall direction, but we should see a pretty notable move, like the establishment of support with sideways rotation and then a notable move to the upside, but it will be counteracted somehow with chart behavior. It'll make that move to the upside kind of irrelevant. You can see the high is also nullified, indicating that that moving into the high, and most likely we come out of that high pretty notably. Behavior around the low is low. Oh, and we do some bumping along resistance sideways, possibly around the high, but it's nullified, so hard to say. Behavior around the low, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. So sideways fluctuating rally out of the low that precedes a decline. I'm advised to trade around an important support level on a 1-month chart scale minimum. And before we go any further, guys, I want to make sure everybody's aware the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that with your help here at the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where all of our angel investors should be following through and donating 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, 5% of the profits back to the channel through one of these links. It leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors for doing that. I love you guys. So in the pre-market, we have a near overbought crest that we sell off through multiple support levels, and we come to a support level right around the open where we're doing sideways rotation along key support on one day chart. And it looks like that important support level on a 1-month chart scale is probably highlighted right here at the open. Looks like there's like a crest that we might rally into a crest off of that support and then sell off through multiple supports into a low here between 10 and 11. But there's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance between 10 and 11. We attempt to establish support at a higher price level. It looks like between 11 and 12, and then the full card there midday indicates a significant opportunity, something improbable to happen takes place, providing a really significant opportunity, standing out amongst other opportunities throughout February. And it looks like it's a notable move to the upside, taking us into the upper end of a range, somewhere between 1 and 2. Somewhere between 1 and 2. Then we have that devil card there again. Yeesh. Devil card indicates some sort of fake out or we're being misled somehow. Actually, the devil card in that ruin there, highlighted in black, indicate we're being misled somehow. Probably making it look like we're going higher. Multiple failed attempts to break through resistance, or it's going to look like we're breaking through the upper end of the range that we've been held back by here between like the interference card and probably oppression card again. It's going to look like we're going higher, and there's like this failed attempt in the last hour to break through key resistance that we expect to break through based on technicals, and it creates this disappointment where we decline through key support. A move higher around the close that's followed by a full retracement, and then some in the post-market to the downside. And we have a pretty mixed kind of idea for the 20th based on the sneak preview card being that Queen of Cups. We'll talk about that in more detail when we get into it. But my sense is that you could probably open up around the low or at the open or at this low that we see here between 10 and 11. Either one of those lows, you could probably open up a long position for a day trade and close that long position when we have this upper end of the range met, or when we actually should probably close it when we attempt to establish support at a higher price level after multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Should be before noontime or right around noontime. And it's kind of hard to determine where we open on the 20th in relation to the 16th. Can't always see that. With that said, guys, make sure to follow that rule of karma. We're counting on you here at Tarot for Traders. That's the SPY reading for February 16th. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this information. It really helps out the channel. Blessings to all my angel investors. You know where to go. You know what to do. I'll see you guys on the next one.